Reggae girl Khadija Shaw has achieved yet another historic feat after being voted Footballer of the Year by British-based newspaper The Guardian. Simon Preston tells us how the RJ Argelina National Sportswoman of the Year nominee achieved the honour.
The 21-year-old joins the likes of Spain and Manchester United midfielder Juan Mata and Italian defender Fabio Piscane to win the award. The Guardian Footballer of the Year is an award given to a player who has done something truly remarkable, whether by overcoming adversity, helping others, or setting a sporting example by acting with exceptional honesty. The Guardian lauded Shaw, who was instrumental in helping Jamaica's Reggae Girls to a historic World Cup qualification in October, scoring 19 goals in 12 World Cup qualifiers. Shaw also scored 2 goals in the Central American and Caribbean Games in Barranquilla, Colombia, bringing her tally to 21 international goals for 2018, setting a record for a Reggae girl in a single year. She also finished with 13 goals in 14 appearances for the University of Tennessee as they reached the last 8 of the NCAA tournament for the first time. Shaw was also praised by The Guardian for overcoming off-the-field woes, including the grief of losing 4 brothers. Assistant coach of the Reggae Girls, Andrew Price, believes the best is yet to come for Shaw.
I believe Khadija is just an all-round talent. You know, she's a great player, well-balanced. She kicks well with both feet. She's a good head of the ball, and she's just a model player that you would want to really coach. And I believe the best is yet to come from Khadija, and I think she'll continue to improve. And when you look at the humble beginnings and all the adversity that she has gone through as a youngster, and for her to mature and blossom into the type of footballer where she's recognized as one of the big strikers in the world, shows the commitment and the fixity of purpose that she has for the game.
Shaw is also a nominee for the RJ Foundation Sportswoman of the Year Award for 2018. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.